My biggest learning curve sa career change ko from being a nurse to a broker is actually the sales aspect. Okay? As a mortgage broker, hindi lang puro technicality ng loan yung dinideal namin every day. Pero may aspect din ng sales or relationship with a client. As a nurse before, hindi mo kailangan mag-sale because people come to you dahil may kailangan sila. They need help for whatever illness they have. Pero as a mortgage broker, you need to actively look for those clients and then look after those relationship. Hindi lang sa initial conversation, pero sa long-term relationship ninyo. I think that was the biggest thing. Pero I'm very fortunate that I found really good clients who trusted me from the first day. And yun yung naging parang advantage ko coming in. And I was able to cultivate those relationships from the get-go.